Okay, so here's part B. So one thing Mersenne primes one thing that's interesting about Mersenne primes goes back to Euclid, who seemed to know an awful lot about primes, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For a guy who didn't even have an iPhone. So Euclid proved that if 2 to the p minus 1 is prime, then 2 to the p minus 1 times 2 to the p minus 1, so you have to be careful how you write that,
Yeah.
is perfect. Now,
And I know what perfect means.
yeah? You do? Because we've been studying number theory. Do you know what a perfect number is?
No, I know what perfect squares are.
Okay, you know what perfect square is?
Perfect numbers are numbers where the sum of the proper divisors equals that number.
Sum of proper divisors
So not the actual number.
equals the number.
Equals.
Sorry for the sloppy handwriting. So let's take a look. When p is 2, 2 squared minus 1 is 3
So that-
is prime.
So that means now we have to check that.
So that means 2 to the 1
2 to the 1.
times 3
Yeah.
is perfect. And who knows what 2 times 3 is?
6.
6.
6.
Okay, what are the divisors of 6?
It's 1, 2, and 1 plus. It's 1, 2, 3, and 6, but we don't count 6.
So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6.
Hey, so there you go. There's the perfect number. The sum of the proper divisors, so not the
Yeah.
number itself, adds up. Let's check the next one. 2 cubed equals 7. So who wants to say what this formula would say?
It's 2 to the 6 because it's 2 to the p minus 1.
Okay, what's p in this case?
P is 2.
It's the power.
Oh yeah, 3.
3. So 2 to the
2 to the second.
2 to the
power. Second power.
times
2
2 cubed
Two
minus
cubed.
1.
2 cubed minus.
So what is this number?
And
Well,
that's
it's 4 times 7.
which is 28.
28.
So let's see, it's going to be 2. So 28, the proper divisors.
Yeah, what are the proper divisors of 28?
So 1,
1,
2, and 4.
4.
7 plus 14.
This and then it's 21 plus 7 is 28.
There we go. Okay. And we won't multiply this one out, but this is 2. Or actually, you tell me. Can you tell me for this
it's
one?
2 to the 4th.
2 to the 4th.
It would be 31.
2 to the 4th times 31, which is what? What's 2 to the 4th?
It's 16.
So 16 times 31 should be a perfect number.
Yeah.
Okay. And Euclid figured this out, and then Euler, much later on, probably, I don't know, 2,000 years later. Remember Euler?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you know Euler for?
E.
E. E. Euler proved that all even perfect numbers are of this form.
Yeah.
And even today, nobody knows if there's any odd perfect numbers. So we found some even ones, and in fact, Euler and Euclid show that's all there is. Nobody knows if there's any odd ones. Isn't that odd that nobody knows that? All right. So you ready for the next part?
Yep.
All right. Here we go.